Welcome to day 16 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 15, please go back and watch them. It's so many things that you probably missed, and I want you to make sure that you're watching every single episode, every single day inside of the Strong and 75. We have 75 days total. 75 days total. So we're already talking about day 16, and that is not that far in. So you guys have plenty of time to watch those days, do exactly what you need to do, because every single day is some type of action you need to actually take. Now for day 16, we're actually talking about the validation of debt. This is going to be huge. A lot of us, I'm going to say us, because we all experienced this at some point in time, where we got a letter in the mail from a collection company saying that we owe them money. Okay, a lot of us have done this. I know that this is normal for a lot of us. I wish that I actually had mine here. Maybe I'll go ahead and take a picture of one, because I have found one I was going through all my mail, and I have found one previously where a collection company said, hey, you owe us money, and I sent them a letter. And immediately they said, hey, we no longer trying to collect on this debt. It was before they put on a credit report, but I have the copy of that letter. Or not even that letter, a similar letter is just validation of debt letter that I actually sent into the company. I have that available in y'all free course. So y'all want to make sure that y'all have the 3-book bundle. You're going to get this book in there. You're going to get the Raise Your Credit Score book in there, 100 points in 30 days. Plus you're going to get that Suing to Win book in there, okay? So let me go into further details what happens when it comes down to these companies. So these companies, a lot of time, these collection companies will send you letters in the mail. They'll call you and they'll say, hey, let's see me, for example, hey, Rickita, you owe this debt. Okay, so as soon as I hear companies say that I owe them some money, I want to make sure I send them a validation of debt letter asking them to show me how I owe them, what proof that they have, and also how I owe them and not whoever they saying I owe. Because a lot of time they'll send like the last statement from whatever company, whatever it is. That's what they'll do. Okay, and that's just not enough. I need to see how I owe you, because this company, if you don't respond, they'll put on your credit reports. So inside of free course, I have a validation of debt letter that you all can actually mail into them. Okay, you want to actually mail it in, and you want to make sure that everything that we do, y'all know I told y'all certified for our letters to the credit bureaus, but we really need to send stuff out certified in general. Okay, we need to start sending stuff out certified in general. So I want you guys to send it out certified, and usually a lot of times they'll stop collecting on the debt, like the company I told you all about. They'll stop collecting on the debt. They won't put it on your credit reports, and that's perfect. But if you ignore it, if you don't send out anything, then at that point, that get them free range to actually put on your credit report, okay? So I always tell people the validation of debt letter, it comes free with your course. You guys have so many documents that come with your books. So you guys have so many documents that come with your free that's inside of the course. So please make sure you guys take full advantage of that. So you want to send that out certified to the company, and all you got to do is just put the name of the company on there. And if they calling you, I always say, like if they calling me, I always ask the name of the company. I ask them, what's your name? What's your address? What's the account number that you're referring to? What's the balance of the debt? And then also I'll, after I do that, I'll say, please stop calling me. And then I'll say, I'll hang up. I won't go any further with them. But when y'all say, please stop calling me, y'all need to send that letter out, because that's how it actually gets into kind of something legal. Now, I'm not trying to be your lawyer. I'm not trying to give y'all legal advice, but it's just a protection that I knew I had when I told them stop calling me, or if I had one texting me, stop texting me. I know I had certain rights, but I had to back it up by making sure I sent that validation of debt letter out certified, okay? And if they continue to try to collect on the debt, put on your credit reports, they don't send you anything back in the mail, then y'all need to make sure that y'all contact me so I can help y'all get a lawyer, or we can talk about other steps that you can take so that you can actually sue these companies and get some money from them, and make sure that whatever debt that they say you owe money for, that you don't owe that anymore. We don't want to play them games at all, okay? So make sure that you all have your 3-book bundle. That's going to be huge. And also get inside your free course, okay? So I'm going to make sure that I have my bundles coming in. I know they've been sold out, but if y'all see that they're there, y'all better make sure y'all get a copy of it, okay? And then also, if you haven't already, sign up for the 6 months of letters, because that's going to make sure that you're just doing disputes all over. Them the ones that's on your credit reports. But we need to stop ones from coming on your credit reports. That's why I say do the validation of debt letter. Okay? So that's the biggest thing that we need to talk about. And then also, this is called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. It's the FDCPA. So we have the Fair Credit Reporting Act. That's the accounts being on your credit reports, their credit reporting. And then the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. That's how debt collection, that's kind of laws on how they can actually collect on the debt. Okay, so you have to understand too. Remember I said that we want to check 31 days, or we got to get them 30 days to actually do our disputes. We got the same thing when we send this thing out certified. Okay, so we need to know that. So we need to make sure that if you get collection letters in the mail, you actually responding to it. And then we're going to ask for validation from all those companies that's already on your credit reports, okay? So you all can look at those companies now. I said you guys can't see the companies now, so your credit reports, and actually draft a letter. But I think that we should actually wait for this step, because I know you guys say let's wait on this step is because the account is already on credit reports. Let's talk to the credit bureaus first, see if they're going to delete it. If they don't delete it, then when we got to send a second letter to the company, we'll send that letter, a validation of debt letter, to the collection company. Focus on looking around your house, seeing if you got any mail, you got any companies calling you, you got some texting you, you got some emailing you. Those are the one I want you guys to focus on for the validation debt letter, because it's not on your credit report yet. And as we're cleaning up your credit report, we don't want more to be added on. So make sure you guys do that validation of debt letter. Look into the 6 months of letters if you haven't already, and then make sure that you guys actually get your 3-book bundle. Okay, make sure you guys get your 3-book bundle, because that's what we're going over. We're actually doing this book.